I don't know what's up with this thing, but it seems like it smoked itself right here. Okay, so let me move this here for a second. These are like $59 too. So there was no power coming out through the load, no matter what I did. I had it hooked to the solar and I accidentally disconnected the battery and I smelled smoke. So that's basically what happened. I'm not really sure, but it frickin' melted that screw. Why would it do that? It is totally beyond me. These are usually a common negative ground. But man, look at that. This thing is toast. I can't even put a screwdriver in it. That was loose. Why are these loose? How is it arcing through this damn thing? That's what blows me away. I don't know if we can undo. These are all really, really bad screws. They're cheap Chinese quality. Boy, this thing really put a number on this thing. Which one is it? It's like it welded it. Trying to see if I see anything super obvious here. I'm wondering maybe if like one of these screws did something. I mean, I don't know. Like it arced. It's strange. Some of these didn't really want to come off either. What I'm looking for is just problems here. I don't know if this is like supposed to be isolated, maybe? Yeah, I think it is. So to me, what this looks like, see how this ring is sitting right there? That screw probably cooked this fucking thing. It was never, this whole pad was never supposed to be this close. Yeah. It was supposed to be separated away from this. So it might be fixable, but we have to heat this whole piece. We need to heat the whole piece and move it over. It's too far. They put it to where this is probably bad right out the damn factory. So these things, they can't be touching. Because as far as I know, they're going through here and they're going to contact the ground. Although somehow that doesn't really make sense either, because there doesn't seem to be a ground to the chassis part, no matter where you look at it. I don't see any ground to it. So these rings look like they're just isolated in general. But it arced. Why did it arc? I don't freaking know. It's crazy. There's an optional few parts here for, I guess, a slightly different model. I don't know. So I don't know if we can fix this or not. I don't know if it's dead. I don't know why. I'm going to guess probably a couple of these are probably bad because the load doesn't work. So the load's going to be these two right here. So we're looking at that screw and that screw. So probably a couple of these are probably bad. Whichever one's responsible for the load. It's just strange how the thing just freaking arced. As far as I can see, a bunch of these do not, they did not want to come undone. I think these might have got a little crispy. Trying to see if we can see anything odd. These are definitely cooked onto here. Do these work better than thermal paste? Kind of wonder. There's definitely some real questionable soldering going on in here. The soldering is a little sloppy and it's a little tight. So that's why there might be like a bridged connection somewhere where it shouldn't be. And if you look at the front side, it's way worse. So these terminals here, they don't appear to even be soldered on this side. Okay, so we're looking at these here. Like, I feel like these are not all even completely soldered correctly. And so what I'm going to attempt to do is clean this funky spot. I don't think it matters. I don't know. Just seems odd. I don't know. Like, really crazy. Like, why would that do that? There would have to be a lot of voltage and current there to do that. And for it to arc to something that's not grounded, these don't go to anything. Unless one of these was touching one of these other ones, which is a possibility. But I don't see anywhere where they could have really been obvious. So I don't know, guys, but it smoked. And the load never worked on it at all. So we got these bus bars here too. This whole thing is just like kind of in need of like some resoldering. Look at that. Jesus. It's pretty bad.